Hello, everyone. This is Donna Hover Ojeda from Mighty Underdogs. Welcome back. This section is free and will always be free. It is your financial templates and tools. So we have a spreadsheet that was brought to you by SCORE, and you download it. It has your one-year projections, the sales projections, operating costs, balance sheet, and payroll. Everything is in there that you need if you don't already have it. Because you need to budget for growth. Many people budget, just put a budget together. We need to put some growth numbers in there because growth costs money. There's also a presentation on the difference between an investment in your company and an actual cost and what levers you should be pulling when to adjust your cost structure and improve your investment structure. So enjoy it. And if you, as always, have any questions, just let us know. Thank you very much and look forward to seeing you.